So what kind of content gets the most views? Content from various niches can get views. Focus on your video structure. With the right approach, your video can get more views. Trending topics naturally get more views. The question isn't about what content it is, it's about the structure of your video, which we've talked about in previous lessons. With the right structure, the right idea, a unique selling proposition for your blog, and of course the hooks you use, your video has a better chance of getting more views. If we're talking about video virality, then of course trending topics will get more views. Videos that evoke a reaction from your audience tend to perform better. When we talk about video virality, the topics that are currently trending will definitely get more views. A video that evokes a reaction from your audience will also get more views. A video that evokes a reaction from your viewer, this of course also leads to more views. Let me give you an example. One of my blogger friends was filming a regular trend to music, nothing special, but she slipped and fell, and at that moment, when she fell, everything went differently than what the viewers expected, who had already watched that trend many times. And in the end, that video went viral with over 60 million views. That was a really cool result, and I'll be honest with you, if you understand marketing and how to promote a personal brand and yourself, this video should have been used to really boost your personal brand. But unfortunately, the person didn't understand and didn't want to listen to experienced people, so those 60 million views just went to waste. Next. It's really important to analyze your success. If a video has gained views and was successful, it's essential to analyze why it became successful, what factor made people watch it, share it, and maybe it was a specific topic or format. In any case, you need to remember these factors that help this video gain a lot of views and apply them to your next videos. If it was a topic, keep using that topic consistently. If it was a format, keep using that format consistently. And you don't need to worry about the fact that you've already made videos on that topic. I'll repeat that. People find your content through the recommendation feed. In your profile, hardly anyone watches the videos you've posted before. Few watch the videos you've posted. Even if you keep uploading on the same topic, they will gain views. You won't be worse off as an influencer. You can grow your audience by presenting differently, then start new content. Your audience will help you grow further. On the contrary, you can grow your audience by repeating the same topic in different ways and then create new content. Your audience will help you grow further, meaning that the initial audience you gather will react to your videos and help you get more recommendations. In general, if we talk about algorithms, let's go back a bit. At the beginning, when you don't have an audience, TikTok gives you a sort of credit. It just shows your video to different audiences, trying to understand who you are and what you do. And then, when you already have your own audience, it's your audience that watches first. I think that since 1,000 followers on TikTok is a certain critical mass to get a link in your profile, probably around 1,000 followers is the point where your videos start being shown to your audience. So if this audience reacts well to your video, then your video gets pushed out further into bigger recommendations and so on. We talked about various analytics tools and about watch depth. All of these are the factors that will help you become more viral. But of course, getting back to the topic of the content plan, this lesson about the content plan, I'll put it this way. The most important thing will be your idea, the idea behind the video, your shooting concept, your editing, the final video that comes out, edited without any fluff. And this will determine whether your video goes viral or not. It's not some kind of secret that doesn't actually exist. So before you publish or shoot anything, first analyze what people are interested in and come up with an idea that answers that question, provides value, and is structured the right way according to the scheme I shared in previous lessons.